Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella. I make hair videos and lifestyle vlogs. So today is all about how I got this sleek low bun. Yeah, my hair is overdue. I need to relax it. So if you have a 4C hair that's not relaxed, this video is for you. And if you have an undergrowth hair, it's also for you too. So keep watching and see how I got this to sleek down. A lot of celebrities choose this sleek low bun as their go-to hairstyle, from the likes of Tracy, Kim, name them, Megan, a lot of celebrities, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to rock this. If you've not made your hair, this is the best hairstyle for you. Very easy and fast. You can just do this under 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on how fast you are. So yeah guys, if you're interested, please keep watching and please do subscribe. Let's get into it. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. This is what it's looking like. It's so overdue. I need to relax my hair, but I'm not going to be doing that anytime soon, so that is why I am doing this tutorial for you guys. So yeah, I'm going in with my smooth and silky shampoo and my Tresemme moisturizing conditioner. I'm just going to give this hair a good wash and just moisturize it. Then after that, I'm going to give it a good blowout. Yeah, as you can see, I'm blow drying this hair, and why I'm doing this is because I just want the hair to be soft and silky. Like I said, it has so much undergrowth. So even if you have a 4C hair, I recommend this process too. I recommend you give your hair a good blowout just to stretch it out a little bit, so it's going to be easy for you when you're trying to sleek it down. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give myself a middle part. Yeah, I'm just going to do that. I'm just trying to see where my middle starts from. After doing that, you comb out your hair. If you don't want to do this, it's fine. If you don't want to give yourself a middle part, you can just slick your hair all back without any part. If you want to give yourself a side part, it's also fine. Any style you choose to. So I'm using my Eco styling gel, and I'm also using my Got to Be, and I'm using my hair bands and scarf for laying it down when I'm done. So guys, please, I'm going to let you guys enjoy watching this video. Please do enjoy. If you like it, share it, subscribe, and please leave a comment down there if you have anything to say, any question, any compliment. I will appreciate that. So right here I'm just going to open up the tip of my hair and make a round, like a round hole, and I'm going to start twisting the hair round and round in circles until I get the right bun. I'm just going to apply my Echo styling gel on my hand just so that it can keep this in place, the flyaway hairs and all that. I don't know if I'm the only one that don't really like doing baby hairs. Like, honestly guys, I do baby hairs for people like friends, clients, you know, but when it comes to myself, I don't know, I find it so difficult, like so difficult, and that makes me not like baby hairs. But I don't know guys, so I was just trying to like give myself a natural baby hair, you know. I don't want it to be obvious anyway, just we're doing something natural, okay? So yeah. So I'm laying this down with my scarf, then after that I'm going to go and do my makeup. So I'm taking out the scarf now. Yeah. Yes guys, we are done. This is the look. Anytime I do this, I'm just always excited. I just love the way I look. Yeah, so this is it guys. I love this look. You can do this if you know you are not ready to make your hair, or anytime you feel like rocking your natural hair, you can do this. It's dried now, it's not too dry, you know. It's just, I don't know how to explain it guys. So yeah, I've come to the end of this video. Please guys, subscribe guys. Bye.